Hey, what's up, Applenatics all over the world? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Miss Apple the Seawoman. So guys, in this vlog, yes, today we are in Juneau, Alaska, and we're going to ride a tramway, yes, or cable car. Of course, still together with Roxy. Hi, Roxy. And that's the carnival spirit behind us. So let's go, guys, okay? Grabe guys, ang lamig. Alam mo yung parang nanunuot talaga sa lamig. Ay, yun na, Marsh! Gumagana na yung tram. So we are going there. So we are here now, guys, at the Gold Belt Tram, and that's the tram, and going up over there. Hi, we're the same. We're a crew member. Do you have discount? Crew ID? My crew ID. Crew ID. Jaden, how are you?
How are you?
Very good. Yeah.
Great. Okay, so one will be 30.
Alright.
You tap your insert whenever you're ready.
Just stop.
Just hold it down.
Insert or just stop?
If you want to tap it, you can. Just hold it down right there.
Like that. Like that. Or, sorry. Like that. Okay. This is two-way already, right?
Yes, it's also all-day pass.
All-day pass, so I can back and forth.
Yes.
Alright. Where are you, Mars? Where's my phone? Should leave me. Thank you. You too. Mercy, let's go. Yay! We have the ticket now, guys. You ready? Oh wait, I remember you're scared of heights.
Yeah, but I read the Bible today. Don't be afraid and be courageous.
Yes, you're right. That is in Joshua 1:9.
I forgot the verse.
Yes. Okay, we're here. Oh, tapos yung sa may Portugal. Ang layo, Mars. Grabe, ang layo. Siguro mga 10 minutes yung sakay namin. Ganyan din. So guys, andyan na yung tram. At sasakay na kami ni Roxy. Yan na yung tram, guys. Oh, ayan. Ayan, sasakay. Ready ka na, Roxy?
Yes.
Okay. Watch your step, Roxy. Watch your step, Roxy. Upo ka ba?
Stand up.
Dito tayo para kita natin. Close na yung door. Ayan na. Ready ka na ba? Mawak ka dyan. Baka malaglag.
Manginig ka na.
Baka manginig ka na. Huwag ka mag-collapse dyan, ha?
Nag-work tayo kaya.
Kaya pala kumain ng cereal para hindi
Good morning, my
mag-collapse.
friends. Tram attendant for the entirety of the next 3 whole minutes as we ascend to 1,800 feet above sea level from the beautiful streets of downtown Juneau, Alaska.
We are moving.
Feel free to wiggle around in the sardine can. Definitely
Wiggle
take
around.
pictures and enjoy the
Feel
view.
free to wiggle around.
We have a
Mercy.
wonderful view of Douglas Island back there behind us, separated from the mainland of Alaska by the Gastineau Channel, which is the majestic body of water that you guys cruised in on this morning.
Ooh la la.
We are on our way up to the Shawhead. Shawhead is a Tlingit word for the mountain house. We are ascending 1,800 feet east
Marcy, anong balita
Alaska.
sa'yo?
Gold Belt Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Belt Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation. We were built on August 10th, 1996. We will be passing through an Alaska temperate range. Through the summer harvest, much of the food was preserved and stored.
Tingnan mo yung puno.
As you venture down to the Sky Bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram gifts. This is truly one
Tingnan
of
mo yung
Juneau's
barko, parang
finest
yung
gift
miniature
shops.
natin, no?
It features a gallery of genuine artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality work. Or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery.
Wow.
And while at
Beautiful.
Gold TRAM Gifts, you can pick up your souvenirs or a
Tingnan mo yung pine
variety of
tree ang
other
lalaki.
Juneau mementos.
We are here. Let's go, Marcy.
The trails are a little wet this time of year.
Thank
so just
you.
use your own
Thank
judgment, but you got it.
Yay! Hey, we made it! Woohoo! Yay! Look at the snow horse! Are you ready to play this now? Guys,
I hope it's not that much people.
manginginig talaga yung hands
Oh, we need
natin
to wear
mamaya.
gloves, no?
Ayan guys, so we're going up to the mountain. Okay. We're going up to the mountain to see the bear. Marcy! Snow na yan, oh! Ayan, oh, snow na yan. Tsaka ayun, oh. Halaka, guys. Halaka, Marcy, wag yan. Madumi din tayo sa taas. O sige, humawa ka na ng snow dyan, dun sa taas. Ayan, oh. Ala, oh. Matumba ka dyan, kaya pala basa. Guys, we are in the mountain, but it's really cold. My hand is freezing. OMG. Roxy, where are you? Guys, as in, just the two of us. Oh, diba? Oo. Ayan, lapit na kami sa snow, guys. We're going up just to see the snow and maybe a bear. Yan na. Ito na, guys. Nice. Tingnan mo yung mga pine tree nila. Ang lalaki. Tataas. Ang gaganda pa. Ayan. At saka ang lamig. Nice. Kailangan talaga ng kayakap dito, guys, sa Alaska. Tingnan nyo naman yung bundok nila dito, guys. Daming snow. Oh. Tsaka pine tree. Bundok natin doon, daming lamok. Di ba, Mars? Wow, look at that view. Isn't it amazing? It is amazing. Mars, ano na? Ang snow! Andiyan na yung snow. Maglaro ka na sa snow. Dali! Bigyan mo sa akin yung cellphone mo. Hi guys! I'm here in Juneau, Alaska today. So after 8 years, I'm here again. So who wants to build a snowman? Do you wanna build a snowman? Or gusto niyo ba ng halo-halo? Halo-halo kayo dyan, guys. Oh, di ba? Lamig. Kala mo ang saya maglaro sa snow pero hindi pala, lamig pala, guys. Ayun. Ayan, gusto mo ba mag-slide? Slide tayo? Ay, shoot. Ayan na, Marcy. Gumawa. Guys, grabe. Sinipon na ako. I have runny nose now because of the cold. Well, what to do? As long as I'm enjoying. Best day ever. Right, Roxy? Yes. Roxy! Full gear si Roxy. Oh, my bonnet, my gloves. Naka-jacket, winter jacket, samtala ako wala.
Matapang yan.
Matapang yarn, pero sinipon na. Wow, look at guys. Beautiful mountain of Alaska. Jesus, thank you!
Hindi na nga ganun kadami ang snow.
Oo, Marcy, ano na balita sa'yo?
Uy, sarap ng feeling.
Ang sarap ng feeling mo.
Previous ko pala.
Previous ko pala, oo, di ba? Grabe. Guys, literal na naglalakad sa snow. Ay, nako, slide tayo, Marcy. Yan, di ba? Ay, dandahan. Ay, nako. O, di ba? Literal, guys, naglalakad kami sa snow. Sana all, iuwi ko to sa Philippines. Nag-business ako ng halo-halo. O kaya scramble.
Sakto ang init sa Pinas.
Oo! Sa Pinas ang init. Dito ang lamig! My gosh! Kailangan namin ng kayakap. Kayakap. Ay, tatapang namin. Di na nagja-jacket, oh. Nice! Mercy.
Oh.
Kaya pa ba?
Oo naman.
Wow, sana all. Harap ka nga. Harap ka nga, Mars. Ay, single yan. Tsaka ready to mingle. Nice. Alaska! Ella and Roxy! Run! Woohoo! Guys, dito kami sa bundok ng Alaska. Naghahanap ng gagamba. Naghahanap kami ng spider. Spider! Ayun, Mars. Grabe, ang dami ng snow doon, Mars. Ako. Guys, grabe. Look at our back. Yes. Ella and Roxy. Juneau, Alaska 2023. Oh, diba? Oh, diba?
Carnival spirit.
Carnival spirit. Yayamanin.
Nakailang na ako dyan. Wala pa rin WhatsApp number dyan.
Oo nga. WhatsApp number.
Up na ako sa video niya.
Oo. Lord, thank you so much for this amazing and memorable experience. Wow, super thank you, Lord. Ganda ng view. Tapos, oh, Lord, thank you. Snow, malamig. Grabe, ang saya, promise. Thank you, Lord, so much for this incredible experience, Lord. Thank you. You can see the whole Juneau, Alaska here. Guys, grabe yung fog, oh. Wala ka nang makita. Ay, parang padami ng padami siya, Mars. Meron pa rin. Wow. Grabe, super fog. Ayan guys, pababa na kami. Okay? Tsaka tingnan niyo po yung mga puno nila dito. Yung mga pine tree. Ang gaganda at ang lalaki.
A little bit upon entry.
Oops. Sway.
Welcome, welcome. Watch your step,
Thank you.
folks. Come this way.
Guys, andito kami sa Manila Square at merong monument si Rizal dito, guys. O, di ba? Taray! Ayan. Dr. Jose P. Rizal. The city and hirap naman basahin. Basta yun na yun. Manila Square to. O, yan guys. Kumakain kami ni Roxy dito. O, bumili kami ng pork barbecue dun sa Filipino, Para siyang pork barbecue tsaka laing. Para siyang food court. Actually, hindi siya cart, no? Parang may tent lang silang nakalagay. Tapos, dito kami sa open area kumakain. Diba, Roxy? Sarap? Sarap.
With soup.
With soup, pa?
With soda and everything.
Diba? Tapos, yung ship namin, andyan lang sa likod din namin, Mag-hi ka!
Hi!
Diba? Guys, grabe ang lamig na, guys. Buti na lang balik na kami ng barko ni Roxy. Diba? Yes, thank you, Lord. Ayan, everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it and you enjoy. Ayan, again, guys, thank you and always be safe and God bless us all. See you next video. Bye!